Hey there, Techno Weebs. Welcome to Tech Atlantean. Continuing our mini-series on chakras of the human body, we have the second chakra, Svadhisthana, or Sacral Chakra. Located in the lower abdomen, about 2 inches below the navel, the Sacral Chakra is connected to the element of water and governs our emotions, creativity, and sensuality. It invites us to embrace pleasure, fluidity, and emotional expression. Like water, it encourages adaptability and flow in all aspects of life. Each chakra has a corresponding Bia mantra or seed sound that can be chanted to activate and balance it. For Svadhisthana chakra, it is VAM. Try repeating it 108 times to activate and balance it. Yoga positions associated with Svadhisthana chakra are bound angle pose or Baddha Konasana, goddess pose or Yukata Konasana, reclined butterfly pose or Supta Baddha Konasana. By practicing these asanas, you enhance your emotional balance, creativity, sensuality, joyfulness, adaptability, passion. It helps you flow with life, release guilt, and embrace your authentic desires.
To know about other chakras, ways to activate them, and benefits, follow Tech Atlantean. Share with your friends and don't forget to drop a like.